Picture yourself in the 2021 Nissan Altima. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.